Om Namah Shivaya. Hi friends, how are you? In this video, we are going to learn about the important blanks in the topic pain pathways. Okay, see one by one. Pain is transmitted to higher centers in brain in dash tract of dash system, and the tract is lateral spinothalamic tract, and the system is anterolateral system. And the second one is pain pathways divided into two types. What are they? Paleospinothalamic pathway, neospinothalamic pathway. In these pathways, dash is the oldest pathway. Paleospinothalamic pathway is the oldest pathway. Paleospinothalamic pathway mainly carries sensation of dash pain. Okay, and the answer is slow pain. Okay, that means paleospinothalamic pathway mainly carries the sensation of slow pain. Dash is the slow conducting multineuron system. Paleospinothalamic pathway. Paleospinothalamic pathway mediates poorly localized pain from dash structures, deep somatic and visceral structures. In paleospinothalamic pathway, fibers are mostly dash fibers are mostly present. C fibers. First order of neurons of paleospinothalamic pathway enter the spinal cord and terminate mainly in dash lamina of dash horn. Okay, and the answer is lamina 2 of dorsal horn. Ninth question. Second order neurons of paleospinothalamic pathway decussate and ascend up in the dash pathway. Contralateral spinothalamic pathway. Dash fibers are more medially placed in spinothalamic pathway. Among these two pathways, that means paleospinothalamic and neospinothalamic, and the answer is paleospinothalamic pathway. Second order neuron fibers pass more medially in spinothalamic pathway. Second order neurons of paleospinothalamic pathway in the brainstem on the way to thalamus. The fibers project to three major nuclear groups and forming the three subsystems. What are the three subsystems? Spinoreticulothalamic pathway, spinomesencephalic fibers, and spinohypothalamic fiber system. Next, 12th one is in the thalamus, second order neurons of paleospinothalamic pathway terminate mainly in the dash group, medial nuclear group. Okay, this is also called as midline and intralaminar nuclei. In thalamus, medial nuclear group also called dash. We also call this medial nuclear group also as non-specific nuclei. TON means third order neurons. Okay, third order neurons of paleospinothalamic pathway arises from dash to dash. This arises from medial nuclear group of thalamus to different areas of cortex including the limbic cortical areas. 15th one. Because of dash projection of paleospinothalamic fibers that mainly transmit slow pain, that is non-specific projection of paleospinothalamic pathway mainly transmits slow pain. Substantial projection of dash, the slow pain keeps a person awake. Substantial projection to dash, the slow pain keeps the person awake, and the answer is reticular formation. Next, 17th question. Paleospinothalamic pathway connected with dash evokes the emotional experience of pain. And the answer is limbic system. Paleospinothalamic pathway connection with dash mediates the autonomic responses. And the answer is hypothalamus. That means limbic system evokes the emotional experience of pain and the hypothalamus mediates the autonomic responses through the paleospinothalamic pathway. Dash pathway mediates the motivational affect component of pain. Paleospinothalamic pathway that you have to remember in other way also, that is paleospinothalamic pathway mediates dash component of pain. You may answer like this: motivational affect component of pain. 20th question. Paleospinothalamic pathway mediates the dash responses of pain: arousal, affective aspects, autonomic responses. 21st question. Neospinothalamic tract is most developed in dash primates. This is the new one. Okay guys, this is the new tract which is mainly developed in the primates. Dash pathway carries mainly fast pain. Neospinothalamic pathway. Neospinothalamic pathway has mostly dash fibers, A delta fibers. First order neurons of neospinothalamic pathway terminate mainly in dash lamina in the horn of spinal cord, and the lamina is lamina 1 and 5 and dorsal horn. The neurotransmitters released at the terminal of primary nociceptive afferents of neospinothalamic tract are glutamate and neuropeptides. And the main neuropeptide or important neuropeptide is substance P. See once again this: the neurotransmitters released at terminal of primary nociceptive afferents of neospinothalamic tract are glutamate and substance P. This substance P is a neuropeptide. 26th question. Second order neurons of neospinothalamic pathway cross over to opposite side in dash segment of spinal cord and ascend in dash tract. And the segment is the same segment, crosses over to opposite side in same segment and ascend in lateral spinothalamic tract. In spinal cord, neospinothalamic tract, second order neuron have dash organization of fibers, topographic organization. 28th is second order neuron fibers of neospinothalamic tract, fibers from lower body parts locate medially in dash and the fibers from upper body parts placed medially in dash, and the answer is lateral fasciculus. Second order neurons of neospinothalamic tract pathway, fibers from sacral spinal segments occupy the dash most lateral part, and the second is second order neurons of neospinothalamic pathway, fibers from cervical region occupy the dash part most inner part. 30th question. Second order neurons of neospinothalamic pathway terminating dash group of thalamus, lateral nuclear group, also called ventrobasal and posterior nuclear complexes. 31st question. Lateral nuclear group of thalamus, also called specific nuclei, are VPL nuclei. This also called ventro-posterolateral nuclei. Second order neurons on their way to thalamus. The nucleus, the neospinothalamic tract, project sparsely to dash. Midbrain reticular formation, periaqueductal gray, hypothalamus. Third order neurons of neospinothalamic pathway originate from dash and project to dash. These originate from specific thalamic nuclei to postcentral gyrus. We call also this as sensory cortex. Topic organization of neospinothalamic pathway fibers in thalamus and cortex is very concrete. The topographic organization of neospinothalamic pathway in sensory cortex, the neurons are organized in dash modality specific columns. First pain is better localized in dash pathway, neospinothalamic pathway. The neospinothalamic pathway for its termination in specific and discrete areas in dash, thalamus and cortex. The neospinothalamic pathway observes dash aspects of pain, sensory determination aspect, so sensory discrimination aspect. The neospinothalamic pathway mediates dash responses of pain, localization of pain, detection of quality, sensitivity of nauseous stimuli. Okay, this is about the main important fill-ups or blanks in topic pain pathways. This may even help you to get the information about the pain pathways. Okay, this is in order. Try to coordinate all the fill-ups. Okay, thanks for watching. If you liked my explanation, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe and don't miss the notifications.